This review is of Snickers Xtreme share size, so I don't think there's anything special about it. I think it's just a larger thing, and so they, yeah, well, we'll see. Okay, contains bioengineered food ingredients. Hooray! Let's see. 2 servings. And so I'm going to say that somebody will probably eat the whole bar, but, you know, it is broke. Oh, it's 2 pieces. So 210 calories per bar, 11 grams of fat, of which 4 are saturated, and no trans fats, less than 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 75 milligrams of sodium, 25 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber, 21 grams of sugar, of which 19 are added, 4 grams of protein. Back to the other side here. Oh, it is Parv. And because they don't like us, they have used, wow, skim milk, lactose, milk, fat, soy lecithin is an emulsifier, corn syrup, palm oil, more skim milk, more lactose. Are they trying to kill me? Gosh, this is going to make me suffer. All right, well, it seems to me like they've gotten really cheap about this because, yeah, it just, corn syrup and palm oil, come on. These companies just do not care about the damage they do us. All right, well, I'm going to take some lactase, not lactose, and I'm going to eat half of this, and I'm going to give the other half to my son. Right. He does not have as bad of lactose intolerance as I do. I'm pretty much entirely lactose intolerant. I'm pretty sure they have changed the recipe. Number 1, there never used to be palm oil. Palm oil was not a thing. And palm oil is really bad for health, especially palm kernel oil. Also, it didn't used to have corn syrup, so it doesn't taste the same either. It is less enjoyable. There's something missing. You know, I used to like Snickers, but this is just kind of, it's okay. Nothing special. I'll give it a 5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.